Aloha mai kako. My name is Jonah Kahanuola Solatorio, and we are here at my papa's house located in Kewalauka on the island of Oahu. When Keoho first started, we would come to this house and we'd have our practices here. You know, Papa would make it comfortable for everyone who came, and we would go on the lanai and everyone would bring a song that they would want the group to learn, and we would all make an arrangement together. And that was, looking back at those days, those were the start of Keoho. That was really fun. So this mele, Kewalauka, was composed in honor of the 3 homesteads in the area that I live. So Kewalauka, then we have Papakolea and Kalavahine. Back in the day, I heard stories that the plumeria was very abundant here in Papakolea. Like my papa, he's a native of this land, so everyone knows him, just like the plumeria flower that's here. I think that this mele is, I consider it a mele aloha aina, a song of love for this place.